Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2005 Hummer H2. I've sold quite a few of these over the years. Actually, I used to sell a lot of them back in the days, but they quit making them. And now they're harder and harder to come by that are not wore out. I might get my hands on one a year. And it's just going to get worse. But this is a nice PEWTER. Got nice tinted windows, chrome steps, brand new set of wheels and tires. Those are 35, 12 and a half, 20. Good looking wheels. It's got the brush guard, tow hooks, fog lights. It does have a clean Carfax. It's had a few owners, but clean Carfax. Doesn't appear to have been smoked in. I can't smell anything. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated seat, memory seat. This express window makes all the windows go down all at one time. Pretty cool. Leather seats are in pretty good shape considering this is a 14-year-old vehicle. A lot of them all tore up. This is not the case. Got power seats on both sides. Got clean carpets, all-weather floor mats. Got your automatic headlight, tilt steering, leather wrapped steering wheel. The miles pretty good. It's only got 132,000 miles for a 14-year-old vehicle. That's less than 10,000 miles a year, so that's actually low miles. It's got all your audio control on the steering wheel. A lot of these are usually wore out. Trip computer. It's got nice aftermarket Kenwood sound system where the radio head anyway, with a Garmin GPS built in. Very nice, a lot better than the factory one. It's got looks like a DVD player. It's got Bluetooth for your phone, so it's got all the modern stuff, which is cool. There's your four-wheel drive system. You can lock in the differentials. Got traction control, tow mode. This one's got the air suspension, automatic climate control. Again, all the buttons are not wore off. It looks almost too nice. Maybe it's been replaced, but they all look brand new. Automatic transmission. You got your auto dimming rearview mirror, compass, outside temperature display, universal garage door opener. I've got the owner's manual. It's got an on-off switch for the passenger airbag, so if you have a small child you can turn that off. Interior is in pretty good shape. I mean, it's not new, but it's pretty sharp. Got a new windshield. Just about every Hummer I get, I gotta put a new windshield. They're flat, so they all have rock picks eventually. So it's got a new windshield. That looks like the microphone for the hands-free Bluetooth for the phone. Sun's coming out. I can't believe it. It's got a nice roomy back seat. Got an armrest with cup holders. Got the audio control for the rear, heated seats for the rear passenger. Got nice luxury features. Frame's in good shape. Got your tow mode, towing package with the light hookup. Got lots of room back here. Since it's got the air suspension, you can use the air compressor to hook up a hose and inflate things. This here, there might have been a third seat at one time, but it's not here. And also in this one, a lot of time they would put the spare over here, and it's gone. People took that out because it took so much space. So there is no spare and no third seat. Body's in good shape for a 14-year-old vehicle. There is a dent here. I don't know if you can see it, but my dent guy couldn't get to it. It's just, there it is. You gotta kind of look for it because it's in that indent. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape as far as cosmetic. Also here, there's some chrome peeling, plasticky stuff. This is brand new. This was broke. I put a new one. Oops, I gotta release the hood. There we go. Pretty massive hood. It's got the reliable 6.0 Vortec V8. Pretty good engine. Looks like a fairly new interstate battery. It's got the K&N cold air intake system. Looks good. Probably helps also on fuel mileage, which these are not known for fuel mileage. They get the same city or highway. I used to drive them all the time, about 13, 14, depending how you drive it. And that city, highway, pulling, it's all the same. But now they're getting pretty affordable. About the same price as a used Jeep Wrangler. I try to have this, a lot more capable vehicle, a lot more luxury, a lot more room, just you get a lot of vehicle for the money. If you're looking for a sharp luxury SUV in good condition at an affordable price, this here should do it. To see if this H2 is still for sale, go to my website, SUNSETMOTORS.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. With good credit, I can probably get this financed. I've got a credit application on my website. You can fill it out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime. 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.